why the eye relief was off. Alright. Fire in a hole. I did not see the hit, but it looks like a splatter at 9 o'clock.
I can't tell where it hit, but it did hit.
I think you hit 9 o'clock black ring.
That's what I'm seeing in the scope.
Yep. Almost, I mean, dead on. Dead on.
Yep. Alright.
Definitely seen it wiggling.
Yep.
It's still.
In fact, it was still swinging.
Yeah, it's still swinging.
It's a 6.5 Creedmore.
6.5 Creedmore, yep. And that recoil was not bad at all with the suppressor on there. I was impressed. Alright. Fire in a hole. Looked like
Barely below it.
Alright.
Oh, nope, I take that back. It's kind of hard to have to watch between the leaves.
Is it down to the right from the previous hit?
Actually, there's a new one in the center.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. Well, that trigger squeeze felt better.
And how big's that target?
It's a 12-inch target.
Yeah, so, I mean, you're 3 inches difference between those two. Which, shooting prone, weird stuff, bushes in the way, no complaints.
Yeah, but I should do better than that. So you said that was in the center?
I think so. We really need to go cut those bushes.
All right, we'll do that here in a second. All right, fire in a hole. That was to the right. But still pretty close to the middle, I think. Was it?
I can't tell.
I think you hit the black, so it's hard to see where it hit.
And you're right behind those two leaves.
Oh, all right. Well, from this position, I can just barely see white from the spinner through the middle of that tree. I don't like that idea.